So, a little while back, I did a presentation in front of this whiteboard. And I said that the presentation would be 2 minutes or thereabouts. What I didn't know at the time was that I added a 1 to it. It's 12 minutes long. So, I thought, you know what? I'm going to make it easy on you guys. You might be snoring through that presentation. I'm just going to get to the bottom line. Bottom line. What we did is we compared you against your competitor if they were using our products. And what we did is we made a few assumptions about it, but we were comparing the modular fixture with the dedicated fixture. And here is the bottom line, which I want to point out. It was $43,000 a year per machine. So, and this was a very extremely conservative figure. So, you can plan on something like a minimum of $4,000 a month. If you're using dedicated fixturing, you're using clamps, and you need a repeatable, rapid, and precise system, a simple, easy to use system, like our Elijah tooling system, this is what you're going to get out of it. Thanks for spending time with me, guys. See you next time.